Hello and welcome to this brief little demonstration video with this week 7 assignment here um, with observables. So just kind of pop up here. So the functionality is basically just saying it's this week, but obviously just change it with the subject. So heading here, I can demonstrate the documents first. So kind of like last week, I can click on an object and then delete it. Pretty much, same thing with the contacts. I can do it and can delete it. And then with the assignment, with the documents as well, create the different functions and things ready to implement into the edit contact or edit document component. I'll probably do in a later assignment. But that is basically the assignment. Thank you for watching.